How to display hotkeys on the OBS Studio screen. Hi, I'm Helen Santos, a support specialist at JMV Technology, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to display hotkeys on screen using OBS Studio. This feature is useful for those who record tutorials or stream live classes, as it allows viewers to follow the shortcuts used in real time. It's worth noting that it only shows pressed hotkeys, not every key. If you're still a beginner and don't know how to use OBS, we have a free complete course. Access the QR code. The first step is to download the plugin. The link is in the video description. Click on Download. Click here to download the installer. After downloading, extract the file and run it. The installation needs to be done with OBS closed. With OBS open, click on Panels and then on Up Hotkey Display Dock. This window will open. You can position it wherever you want. Before configuring the plugin, create a text source in the desired scene. The shortcut will appear written in this text box. The text field should be empty, but you can type something temporarily to adjust the font and style. Then just delete it. Click this button to configure the plugin. Check this option. Here you'll select the scene and the text source below. These two fields allow you to add text before or after the shortcut. It's not necessary to add anything. Here you define how long the text will be visible on screen in milliseconds. For example, 1000 equals 1 second. Click Apply. Click Enable Hook, and when it turns green, the shortcut keys will be captured and displayed on screen. If you're looking for a platform to live stream, I invite you to check out JMV Technology's plans, where you can broadcast to your website and multiple social networks simultaneously from a single source, plus many other exclusive features. For more information, scan the QR code. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and follow us on social media for more content like this.